योर वॉइस इज योर सुपर पावर। वेलकम टू माइंड हीलिंग विद भाविश। और आज हम बात करने जा रहे हैं फियर ऑफ पब्लिक स्पीकिंग के ऊपर। बात शुरू करने से पहले लेट मी आस्क यू दिस थिंग। इफ लेट्स से यू वर टू स्पीक इन पब्लिक, आपको किसी के सामने प्रेजेंटेशन देनी हो, कोई मीटिंग में बात करनी हो, डज इट फील लाइक स्कैरी टू यू? आई कैन ओनली अज्यूम दैट अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल अमंगस्ट यू वुड थिंक कि हाँ यार, ये मेरे साथ तो दिक्कत है। इट्स लाइक वॉकिंग इनटू अ हॉरर मूवी। लेट मी टेल यू लिटिल स्टोरी अबाउट माई सेल्फ। आई वॉज प्रोबेबली अराउंड 10 years old, और मेरी स्कूल की टीचर मिसेस मेनन, शी आस्क्ड मी दैट टुमारो इन द असेंबली यू शुड रिसाइट अ पोएम, यू शुड पार्टिसिपेट। आई सेड नो थैंक यू, and she smiled and said it wasn't a request. So there I was, standing on the stage, knees shaking so much that they could have powered a small earthquake. I opened my mouth to speak, and guess what came out? Nothing. Khamoshi. Just silence. The only sound in that room was of my heartbeat. Boom, boom, boom. It was like my chest had hired a DJ. अब वो कुछ moments ऐसा लगा जैसे कि एक century के बराबर है. And then I gathered some courage and I said, trees are green, and I ran off the stage. Audience ने ताली बजानी शुरू कर दी. Not because they were impressed, but because they were relieved that this was over. अब ये वाला experience मैं पूरी life अपने साथ carry करके आया हूँ. But today, being a therapist and a coach, I realize the relationship between failure and success. See, contrary to our belief, failure is not opposite of success. In fact, it is a stepping stone towards success. पब्लिक स्पीकिंग इज लाइक फॉलिंग इन लव। जैसे आप किसी के साथ इनिशियल रिलेशनशिप में होते हो, इट माइट फील ऑकवर्ड, इट माइट सीम मेसी, यू प्रोबेबली माइट एम्बैरेस योर सेल्फ, यू माइट स्टैमर, यू माइट स्वेट, और आप सोचे व्हाट इफ दे डोंट लाइक मी? बट ओवर टाइम यू विल लर्न टू बी कॉन्फिडेंट, यू विल लर्न टू एक्सप्रेस योर सेल्फ एंड टू हैंडल द रिजेक्शन ग्रेसफुली। अब रिजेक्शन को हैंडल करना अपने आप में एक बहुत बड़ा स्किल है। But there is also a difference between public speaking and falling in love. You don't have to buy chocolates or flowers. You don't have to go to expensive dates or fancy dinners. You just need to show up. For you to speak on the stage, you only need two things: your voice and your story. Now let me emphasize this. Your voice is one of the most powerful tools you own. Think about it. Nations have risen. Revolutions have started, and love stories around the world have blossomed just because somebody had the courage to speak up. और हम उस टाइम पे क्या करते हैं? Most of us are too busy silencing ourselves up, shutting ourselves down. क्या होगा अगर मैंने mess up कर दिया तो? Maybe they would laugh at me. Maybe I would sound stupid. मैं अगर embarrass हो गया तो क्या होगा? Let me tell you something. No one in the audience wants you to fail. You know why? Because deep down, they're just like you. They're also scared of being judged. They also have that fear of rejection. In fact, every person in the room that is listening to you has had one moment they wished they could have spoken up, but they didn't. एक funny moment याद आता है. There was a time I was coaching a senior executive once. He was from a Fortune 500 company. He was drawing a handsome salary. Hundreds of people were reporting to him. But he was terrified to speak in public. He told me once, what if I forget my words? I used to smile and say, that is a part where I make you think that I'm pausing for a dramatic effect. उन्होंने नर्वसली स्माइल किया और फिर मुझसे पूछा, what if my hands start to shake? तो मैंने उन्हें कहा कि अगर ऐसा कुछ हो तो आप अपने माइक्रोफोन को और ज़्यादा टाइट पकड़ो. People will think that you are passionate about your speech. अगर कोई आपको बोले that you are shaking, you say, I'm not shaking, I'm vibrating with excitement. पर सच्चाई ये है कि nobody cares for your imperfections. They only care for connection. आपने कभी एक लाइट हाउस देखा है? जब सी बहुत ज़्यादा टर्बुलेंट होती है, बहुत ज़्यादा हाई टाइड्स होती हैं, या फिर पूरी फॉग आसपास में होती है, what does a lighthouse do? It just shines through. And that is your job as a speaker, to shine your light even if there is a fog of fear around you. अच्छा, मैं आपको एक और बात बताता हूँ. The skill to be able to speak in front of public is an ultimate career hack for you. कैसे? Imagine you are in a meeting and everybody is pitching their ideas. Your idea might be brilliant, but if it stays locked inside your head, it's like a Ferrari stuck in a garage. No use. वहीं पे आपका एक कलीग है जिसके पास एक mediocre idea है, but if he has the courage to speak up, and he does, even if the idea is not so good, they get noticed. Public speaking is not just about words, it's about visibility, and in today's world, visibility is currency. कुछ साल पहले की बात है, आई वॉज इन्वाइटेड टू स्पीक एट अ कॉर्पोरेट इवेंट. ऑर्गेनाइजर्स ने मुझे बोला कि जस्ट बी योर सेल्फ एंड शेयर योर स्टोरी. सो मैंने वही किया. आई टोल्ड देम अबाउट माई जर्नी, माई फेलियर्स एंड माई फियर्स. और ये जो स्टोरी मैंने आपको सुनाई थी ना, माई बीइंग 10 year old, यही स्टोरी मैंने वहाँ पर सुनाई. By the end of it, जब event खत्म हो गया, there was this one man who came up to me and said, "Your story changed my perspective about life." I smiled and said thank you. But inside I thought, this story, where I actually forgot my lines and ran off stage as a kid, that story, really? And that's when it hit me. What you think is ordinary about yourself might be an extraordinary thing for someone else. The mundane, monotonous life that you're living could be a life that someone else would be dreaming for. So the next time you're scared to speak in public, let me tell you this. Number 1, your voice is a muscle. आपकी आवाज एक मसल की तरह है. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Number 2, the audience is not your enemy. They're your teammates. They don't want you to fail. They want you to succeed. They are also scared of the same things that you are scared of being judged, of rejection. So they want you to succeed. And that's where they succeed. और नंबर 3, अगर कुछ भी समझना है तो टेल योर ऑडियंस अ जोक. इफ दे लाफ, दैट्स अ ग्रेट थिंग. इफ दे डोंट, you think it's a tough audience and you move on. So in the end, I want you to remember this. The world does not need perfect speakers. It needs brave ones. Your voice can inspire, influence and ignite change, but only if you use it. So I urge you to speak with courage, speak with conviction, speak with confidence, and most importantly, speak with your heart. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर लिसनिंग. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो डू सब्सक्राइब टू दिस चैनल. लाइक करना तो बिल्कुल नहीं भूलना है. एंड इफ देयर समबडी whom you love and care for, and if you want to share this video, please do so. Until the next video, all the very best, do your best and stay blessed. Take care.